morning, everyone. This is going to be a quick video. This is a couple kits that I did order off of HSN maybe a year or two ago. I'm sorry about that. That I love so much that I never assembled. So why not assemble it now? Mother's Day is coming up, so why not? So I did purchase one of these. These went fast. And I purchased, I think, 3 of these. So, of course, these were still in the package. I think I started something with this one. Matter of fact, I had took this apart. I wanted to make it out of a box, so I still have those. I'm going to see if I can still attempt to make it out of a box. I have that die where you can make anything out of a box. So that's going to be my future plan. So I still have one package that I did cut up. So I attempt to do something. So these were so much fun to create. I don't think I followed exactly the sample here on both. And what I did, I just took everything apart, disassembled everything, just laid it out, and just went to just got creative with it. So, and I still have a lot here that I can use for cards or anything else. Same here. Same with those, and those are the envelopes over here. So this was a great kit, but I just have to start using up my kits. So I do have a lot more planned, but let me show you everything I created. And again, these was just, matter of fact, these took me like 1, 2, 3. Once you take everything apart, get it off the sheet, and just go to crafting, these take no time. So again, I just wanted to get some of these done. And again, is this one whole packet, or did I get? Oh yeah, this is the older packet. So that's why so many of these. So that was from the old. Now this is from the new. So, and these were so cute, and nothing's inside yet. And I am going to get color tool just to put on each and every one, and then put in the box. I have a die, or you can, if you can make your own box and cut out the top with acetate and sell these, maybe three in a box. So Mother's Day is coming up. So yeah, I have to find my tool for the colors. And if you want to add anything else, if you want to add some blings, you can. But I think I don't want to make it too bulky for the envelopes. So I just got to stamp out my sentiments. So like I said, these are empty. So just the sentiments and the tool, and do the box. And then these packages up for Mother's Day, birthdays. Maybe I'll leave one blank for anything, maybe thinking of you or hi friend. So yeah, these were so much fun to create. And of course I didn't do too much layering with these, because again, I didn't want the envelope to be, I wanted these to fit inside the envelope. So I didn't make these too bulky. All right, did I do these? I don't think I did these. All right, let me do these. Let me just get the ones that I did out the way. So I won't show you these because I don't want this video to be longer. I'm sorry it was too close to the camera. This one's cute. And that one's cute also. So again, they're good size. Okay, now these are the older ones, so that's why so many of these. Those are so cute. Make sure you can see it. So of course some of them might be similar. All right. Now this is from the newer kit. I love this one. I love pink and purple. Did I make a sentiment? I know one of them I did. Nope, not these. So just get these ready for Mother's Day. All right, this is, of course, from the older kit. And these were really fun. Yeah, I had to start crafting, guys. I did place an HSN order when they had the free shipping, but a lot of that stuff was clearance. I'm gonna try to hold off as long as I can, because sometimes, a lot of times, 90% of the time, when I order, I don't get to use it. Oh yeah, and with these, I'm just gonna put some ribbon through it, through those, and along with the tool. So a lot of times when I place orders with HSN, I don't use it right away. I think it's going on maybe a year or two with some of those dies that are still new. So that's my plan within the next couple months to play around with dies, see which ones I like. You know, if I'm not going to use it again, just destash. Even with paper, I'm going to see what paper I want to keep. And I do want to do some 12 by 12 layouts for my albums. Sorry if I keep on hitting the camera. So again, whatever I don't want to use, I'm going to start destashing. You know, one by one. I just don't want too many items going out at one time for me. I don't know how Tina does it, but especially when it comes to destashing, because that's a lot. So I just want to get my craft room back in order so I can get back in there by the summertime. So yeah. So guys, stay tuned for that down the line for some destashes. So especially with paper. And then I have one more project shear to do. And that will be it. And this one, I'm surprised I kept this one plain. I think I'm gonna add some more onto this. I think it might have been mixed in with these. So this one I am going to do a little more to it. But this is what it looks like. And the only thing I did add was add another layer to that, and then add the layer to the buttons, and that was it. So I'm going to do a little more to that. So guys, that is it with this kit. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I really did enjoy this. I'm not going to lie. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.